Alright, we're doing our first dryer vent clean out for 2024. Put out 100 signs the other day. We've got 4 jobs so far, so not bad. Paid for the signs and the labor to put them out, and a little bit in my pocket. Hopefully we get more than that. Second vent, same customer, different house. All right, third job. It's snowing like crazy out here. We're getting a winter storm actually just started. I got this one more to do today, and then I'm done. That's it for that. Look at that. Well, that was stupid. Well, I got more hose. What's that? No, it's okay. I'll just use my other hose. Yep. Terrible weather today. I don't know. You know what? It's because I checked the map where I was, and you were literally down the street from the last house we did. We've been doing it for a couple of years. Yeah, but mostly pressure washing. Oh, it's heavier with snow on it. Alright, I'm going to actually go into that lady's house and pull the dryer out, because for some reason her vent tubing coming out of the dryer was all clogged up, so I fixed that for her. She gave me a nice tip. But check this out. Working in the snow. Well, I guess I know how to pick the days to start the season off. November 12th, and it's snowing like crazy out. I decided to go out and get my first jobs done, dryer vent cleaning.